Solve the following quadratic inequality and graph the solutions on a number line. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to find the roots of this equation here. So let's go ahead and factor this out. We don't really need to do any hard calculations here because we just need to find something that multiplies to -2 and adds to -1. And well, the numbers are -2 and +1, right? So we have x squared minus, x minus 2 and x plus 1. Okay, so if we want to find what this is going to be, this is going to be x equals 2 and x equals -1, right? Just moving to the other side, so add 2 and subtract 1. We get +2, -1. So we know what our roots are on this graph here. If we were to plot these on a graph, this is our x-axis. Like I say, we've got roots at 2 and -1, which means this parabola intersects the graph at these two locations. And if we look at this equation for the parabola, we know that it's going to look something like this, right? It's going to have a vertex at the bottom and then going up because it's positive. So we can draw a rough sketch of what this is going to look like. It's going to look like something like this. It doesn't really matter what the shape is. It doesn't matter where the vertex is. All that matters is we know which part is below 0 and which part is above 0. And in this case, we're looking for the section of this parabola that falls above 0, right? So greater than 0 or above the x-axis. Okay, so in order to find that, what we need to do is essentially we're just going to take the part to the left of -1 and to the right of 2 here and draw that on our number line. So again, I'll use 2, -1. And when we draw our circles here, we're going to use solid circles because we have this less or greater than or equals to. If it was just this sign, then we would use a hollow circle, right? But no, we're using a solid one. And this is going to stretch in the two directions to negative and positive infinity because we're looking for the positive part, right? So not right here, but all through here and through here, and that's going to stretch on infinitely. So our number line is going to look something like this, and that is indeed all we need to do for this question. If we wanted to write the domain for this, it would just be x is less than or equal to -1, and x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so that's all for this one. I hope that helps. Thank you. Bye.